So last video we talked about how YouTube rewards engagement. In other words, the people who watch your video longer are like a vote that this is cool content and they want to view and consume more of your stuff. So therefore, Google and YouTube thereby should give this a little bit more emphasis in their search ranks because more people enjoy the content. The more that enjoy the content, the more that will be able to put ads in the middle of the content or in the front of the content, and then that content becomes more valuable to YouTube because they can sell more advertising. That's what it's all about. Their interest is in them, not you. So if we make those engaging long videos, you get better results, they get better results. A win-win kind of symbiotic relationship. Now, YouTube wants to make this easy for you to keep people engaged in your content. They want you to use the tools that they provide. There's two tools I'm going to describe very quickly. Right above, you're going to see this little white strip that comes out. That's called a card. It's going to recommend another video that we have in our collection that you might want to click on and go visit so that you can continue to watch additional videos I have. And then at the very end, you're going to notice a couple things. Right over here, you're going to see a couple more videos pop up. These videos I've set to what would be the best option for you. In other words, based on your searching background, what you've been looking at, other videos you've seen, these two videos here would be the things that you'd like. And then there's going to be a picture of my little bald head there. That is a subscribe button. So click on that to subscribe and keep watching.